What is the official language of Jamaica? English, but you might hear some Jamaican patois too. What is the nickname for the parish of St. Thomas due to its lush landscapes? The Forgotten Paradise, though trust me, once you see it, you won't forget it. Which historical rebellion took place in St. Thomas in 1865? The Morant Bay Rebellion, where Paul Bogle led the charge for justice. So what delicious fruit is Jamaica famous for? Ackee, just be careful. It's poisonous if not ripe. Now what famous musician was born in St. Thomas? Jimmy Cliff, the reggae legend. And what's the best way to greet someone in Jamaica? With a big smile and a hearty wagwan? What's going on? True or false? Jamaica has the fastest runners in the world. True. Usain Bolt, anyone? What's the national dish of Jamaica? Ackee and saltfish, a match made in foodie heaven. What's the main ingredient in Jamaica's spicy sauce, jerk sauce? Scotch bonnet peppers, handle with care, they're fiery. So, what's the best way to get around Jamaica? One word, bobsled. Just kidding, but taxis or rental cars work too. And what's the capital city of Jamaica? Kingston, where the vibes are always good. Now what's the most popular music genre in Jamaica? Reggae, man, feel the rhythm. So, what's the name of Jamaica's highest mountain? Ah, that would be Blue Mountain Peak, home to some of the best coffee beans in the world. Here's a fun one for you. Finish the Jamaican saying, no problem. Got it? Mun, everything is more laid back with a no problem attitude. Now what's the national bird of Jamaica? It's the doctor bird, also known as the swallowtail hummingbird, a colorful little friend indeed. What's the Jamaican term for a party or celebration? Well, it's called a bashment, where the music is loud, the drinks are cold, and the vibes are irie. What's the traditional Jamaican method of cooking meat over open flames? It's jerking. No, not pulling pranks, but seasoning and grilling to perfection. What's the Jamaican term for a friend or buddy? It's either a brethren or sistren, because we're all one big family here. So, what's the name of the popular Jamaican rum brand? It's Appleton Estate, guaranteed to put a smile on your face. And what's the Jamaican term for someone who's cool, calm, and collected? Irie, because that's how we roll in Jamaica. Now, what's the traditional Jamaican way to cool off on a hot day? With a refreshing sip of coconut water straight from the source. What's the name of the famous Jamaican sprinter who won multiple Olympic gold medals? Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the world. What's the Jamaican term for a lively street market? A hustle and bustle, where you can find anything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. What's the Jamaican term for a small, local eatery serving authentic cuisine? A cook shop where the food is always finger-licking good. What's the best way to enjoy Jamaica? With a smile on your face, a song in your heart, and plenty of laughter to go around.